In this video, we will see how to add a first page or cover page in QPA. Click on the first page or cover page option. Here, you will see different exam title templates. Based on the selected examination, QPA automatically provides the default cover page template designed for that exam format. Now, enter the required details in the respective input fields. As you type, you can clearly view the changes in the live preview section. Once all the details are entered, simply click Add to Document. Your question paper will now have a professionally formatted front cover page. The entered information is also automatically captured in the answer key document and the key and explanation document, helping maintain consistency across all outputs. You can follow the same process to customize or change the front cover for different examinations. If you want to add extra design elements such as shapes for branding or advertisement purposes, that option is also available within the cover page settings. That's it. Your exam document now includes a customized and a professional front cover using QPA.
Create professional aligned exams with question paper alignment. Visit our website and subscribe for more.